Alright guys, so looking on the screen you can see that the transaction was successful. So you can see I have received my over allocation. So you need to wait for like 10 to 15 minutes and check back. You are going to see that your over allocation will surely arrive. So this is my over allocation for those of you that want to claim your over token. So I decided, welcome back to my channel. This is AG update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your over airdrop allocation for those of you that participated in the campaign and you got the airdrop. So this is a video tutorial on how you can claim your over protocol airdrop allocation, that is your utility token over. So for you to get started, what you need to do is to make sure your overflex wallet is up to date. So please make sure your overflex wallet is up to date. After that, what you need to do is to log in your overflex wallet with the account details you use in participating in the over quest campaign. So I made a video about how to log into your over wallet, so I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So now what you need to do is going to bring you here. After you have logged in your over account, you just need to refresh. So after you refresh, you're going to see something like this. Just click on how much can I earn. After that, you're going to see something like this. You want to read it, fine. Then you click I confirm my eligibility for the airdrop. Click here too, then you click agree and continue. So you wait for it to process. So you need to watch this 45 seconds video first. Alright guys, now what you need to do is to click on check your airdrop now. Alright, so this is my airdrop allocation. So now what you need to do is to click on claim now. So due to high volume of transactions, it may take a few hours to receive. So looking on the screen, wallet and node airdrop, this is on its way. So you don't need to wait for it to enter your wallet. So for those of you that participated in the OKX and over protocol Cryptopedia tags, please go and check your allocation. I'll be making a video about it, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video on how to claim. So if you participated in the OKX and over Cryptopedia tags, please go and check your allocation. What you need to do is to watch the video, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video, how you can get your allocation. Then you are good to go. So you need to visit OKX wallets and claim your allocation for those of you that participated in the OKX and over Cryptopedia tags. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Alright guys, so still waiting. After clicking on claim, you need to wait for it, then wait for like some minutes or some hour, then keep refreshing, or you can just exit the app, come back later. You're going to see your over allocation. Then you can send it to any exchange that currently supports deposits. I think MEXC support deposit of over now, Gate.io. So if you are patient enough, I'm going to make a video about how to send your over allocation to centralized exchange so that you can convert it to USDT when over is live. So make sure to join my Telegram group. I'll be up to date in my Telegram group. So if you want to get fast information, please join my Telegram group. Alright guys, so I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.